Okay, so I needed jumper cables to jumpstart this battery in a hatchback car. This is like 48 ampere hour battery, but it is old. So in case you are stuck in road and you need a jumpstart cable, the jumpstart cables are available online, but they are of 10 gauge, which is like 6 millimeter square cross section area, 10 gauge, 6 millimeter square, and if you start the car few times, they will get heated up. They are very thin wires. Okay, so in that case of kind of emergencies, you can make jump start cables using welding cable. Sorry. So you need to get 4 earth clamps with this kind of connector or something better. Okay, and then these are 25 square welding cable, so they will hold continuous 200 amps current. Continuous it will handle, so peak will be some 500 amps it will hold. Okay, so this is like one set. And then it is 3 meters long. So in Indian rupees, as of November 2024, this cable costed me 280 rupees per meter. Okay, and this earth clamp costed 200 rupees per piece. Okay, so each one of them costs like some nearly 1200 rupees each one of them, and you have to put the cable and put some insulation here. Okay, then same with the positive one. This I think will work for trucks also. The one you buy online will have gauge 10, but this is gauge 4 with 25 mm square cross section. The other gauge 10 will be 16 mm square, 6 mm square cross section. So to test whether it was working, I connected the wires, and then with this washer I put this welding rod 10 size, and then tried to melt this rod on this, but it did not melt, but some this kind of burn marks are there, and this had become hot. It did not melt as such, but this one workpiece, this rod had become hot, and the cable was not burnt anywhere. So it was confirmed that it will work. And that kind of clamp, you can fit it here and here, and it will be quite stable. It will not move around. Still you have to be careful. Okay. So this kind of welding cable, if you use, even 16 square welding cable, which will cost some 210 rupees, that is also reliable.